Alright guys, feedback on Tron. Is it the best, guys? What's going on, guys, and welcome once again to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be today here at Magic Kingdom, because in this video, guys, we are gonna take you to where?
Tron.
Finally, after 4 to 5 years under construction, Tron has opened for cast members and family previews.
We've literally seen this ride grow just like the channel, because it started when we started the channel.
Pretty much.
And then now.
Pretty much. So anyway, we were super excited just to experience Tron and give you guys our feedback. Do you think it's gonna be better than Cosmic Rewind?
Oh no, there's no way. In my opinion, I don't think it is. I think it's gonna be good, but I have a feeling it's gonna be way too short.
Have you guys seen any spoilers?
No, because I wanna
experience it. Okay.
I saw a thumbnail of a guy on it, but I didn't watch it.
You haven't watched it. All right, guys. So there you have it. Today we're gonna experience Tron for the first time, and of course, you are gonna get our honest feedback. So, if you like this kind of content, family adventure, Disney and theme park content, I highly suggest that you stick around because we have a lot to show you. And also, we want to remind you to
subscribe
and to smash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Kiddos, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! So assuming that you've never been in Magic Kingdom or you don't know the location of Tron, what you have to do is to continue to walk to the right side. You're gonna see the castle over there. Make a right, because we're gonna head to Tomorrowland. Once you're here in Tomorrowland, we're gonna keep going that way. We gotta enter Tomorrowland, and we're anticipating that hopefully Tron, once it opens, it may help the lines for Space Mountain to go lower a little bit. So time will tell.
In my opinion, it's not, because since that is one of the things that a lot of people say that you have to do. People are gonna go there, or people are gonna go to Tron and then go to Space Mountain. So I don't really think that it's gonna affect.
We shall see. We shall see. I don't know. Like you guys said, I don't know if this is the ride, the big ride that is gonna be the big hit for Disney.
Yeah, maybe on the first day when it's open to everyone, then Space Mountain might go down.
Right, but after the hype goes away, you know, what's gonna happen? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And now that you have entered Tomorrowland, you're gonna see right in the front the launching pad. Then make a slight left, because we gotta head towards Space Mountain that way. We already told you to find Space Mountain. That happens to be over here, and just a slight left, right next to this building. That's where you're gonna find the actual entrance to go to Tron. So you're gonna be walking legit between this store that is the store for Space Mountain and Tomorrowland Speedway in order to go inside Tron. As you can see down there, that's the main entrance. That's kind of cool. That's where the photo pass experience is at. The height restriction for this ride happens to be 48 inches. 48 inches. Because you have little ones that want to ride. And right over here is where you're gonna see the wait time eventually. So the stroller parking will be over here as well, right towards the right hand side. So many years that we were driving in the Tomorrowland Speedway just to take
a view,
a little view of how the things were going on for our construction update. So many
4
years
later.
Look at this. It's pretty cool. Everybody says that during the nighttime is the best time. I believe it. We've seen it during the night, and it truly is the best. Look at that. I also want to point out that before you go in, the restrooms are located here on the left-hand side. And this is a ride that you're gonna have lockers to put everything, because they don't want you to carry with anything but only your cell phone, and the cell phone has to be put away in the actual train. But look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that safety net, because obviously they're anticipating people to break the rules. and for safety reasons, they have to keep the nets on. I also want to show you that there's another photo pass experience in here. I just want to say, guys, I'm not sure you were able to catch that train, but pretty much they have the regular light cycle, and they have basically a regular sit-down seating on towards the back. It is the last seat on the back, and that, just so you know, is done for not all the trains has them, but basically the regular seating is made just for people. Then it may be for handicap, or if you're a larger guest, then you may be able to ride it sitting down, not just on the cycle. So before you walk into the ride, you're gonna be able to find the actual vehicle for Tron. And one thing I gotta show it to you, this over here, Carla, this is basically for but it's only for decoration.
Oh, it's not used anymore?
No, the safety restraint happens to be over here. So I want you to try it. Let's see, Carla's gonna try it. Let's see what she does. So you see how easy Kyla can fit over here. Now, if Kyla wants to be even more comfortable, she could actually push her leg that way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it still fits. I want you to see. Hold on.
Sorry.
Look at that. Look at the instruction. It says to board properly, kneel, lean, pull the handler slowly towards you. Okay?
Yeah, don't do what I did the first time I went on this
Exactly.
thing. I slammed it. Ooh.
So that's basically the difference. Just want to show you guys the line. Now that we're inside, this is how cool it looks.
For other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience, expectant users should not ride. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
That effect was awesome. So here we go, Team Blue. And obviously, they're gonna show you more instructions on how to load the vehicle.
Glasses and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebars. To synchronize with your light cycle.
Remember when I said that you could put your phone away in the vehicle? That's how you're gonna do it. We're here in the locker area, so they have it divided by section 400, 500. They actually, if you don't have a pass or a card or anything like that, they actually give you a card. So obviously blue means that it's not taken. We ended up going with 532. 532 is the locker number that we're gonna be using.
Lucky number.
So there we go. Now, once we lock it, it's like the Velocicoaster. Once we get off the ride, we're gonna pick it up in the other side. Same number, 532. All right, so here we go. Just want to give you guys a quick look on how this works. Right over there. Carlo and Kyle are going right in front of me. Now keep in mind that the person that is going to the outer bike,
They go through the middle.
you gotta go through the middle, okay?
Which it actually says in here.
It says it over there? Oh, okay, yeah. Those are cool. That's not cool instruction right there. There you go. All right. This is pretty cool though. Look at that.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. racers. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Now this over here looks like it may be like the store. Look at this. Obviously it's not open, but by April 4th when the ride opens, it should be, hopefully it should be open. Hopefully they will not pull a Mickey and Minnie's Runaway in Disneyland where they haven't brought anything. All right guys, feedback on Tron.
It was amazing.
Okay.
And so I had this, so I was recording for you guys, right? But it did kind of hurt because I was like holding it while my back was like up.
Okay.
So the thing that holds you like this, it was kind of hurting my back. So be aware of that because if you're gonna sit up, your back is gonna hurt.
Okay.
But besides that, it was really cool, really awesome.
Awesome.
And not that intense.
Not that intense, okay?
I really enjoyed it. I was right though. It was way
Super short.
Short.
I'm gonna say it's 40 to 50 seconds.
I did not
long.
like that. I really enjoyed this ride. All I have to say though, when I came out of the ride, my ribs hurt.
Your ribs were hurting a little bit?
My ribs hurt, but you know what? It's a really fun ride. And I heard someone say that it's better than Guardians of the Galaxy. And I disagree with that, but I
You
feel
disagree?
Like, I disagree, but I feel like people are going to be talking
So
about that.
Cosmic Rewind continue to be the best one.
Number one right here.
How would you compare this ride to
Okay,
here and in Magic Kingdom?
I would compare it to the like when you come out of the mine for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, but with the speed of Test Track.
Okay, there you go. Same thing?
Same thing.
All right, Space Mountain or this ride?
It's hard. It's really hard.
Now that's an actual question. That's a question we got to think about now.
Yeah. I
Okay.
have to think about it.
So, all right, let's ride it again. Let's see if we can figure it
We'll
out.
come back to that.
All right.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys. So there you have it here from
What's wrong?
where is a fun ride. Is it the best, guys?
No, it's not number one for me, but it's still.
Guardians is better in mine.
Cosmic Rewind still
Yes,
better.
but still, this is a really good ride, better than what I was expecting.
So is it better than Splash Mountain? I think it's a little bit better.
A little
Little bit better than.
But at the same
Space
time,
Mountain.
it's two different things.
bit. It's two different things.
However, Space Mountain feels that it's longer than this ride.
It does, but I feel like if you want to pick up more speed, it would be this one. Like if
Is
you
it-
want to go faster.
Is it better than Seven Dwarf?
Yes.
Mine Train?
Yes, yes.
There
So,
was no competition.
so this is gonna be like the new Seven Dwarf Mine Train.
I
pretty
can
much.
see it because Seven Dwarfs is short, and this is short, but this is more fast.
Alrighty guys, so there you have it. Our honest review. Still not the best ride. It's not the worst. It's a good addition to Magic Kingdom, definitely. Unfortunately, some people are gonna be making long lines for something short-lived because it's gonna be 40 to 50 seconds.
That was my worst fear. That it was gonna be really good but short. I just wish if it was a little bit longer. If it was a little bit longer, it could have been up there. It could have been on that list as one of like the top 5. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Alrighty guys, so from here, we hope you enjoyed this video. Sadly, this adventure has ended, but with that said, we gotta remind everybody to
Subscribe
And to smash that like button, to turn that bell notifications,
bing bing bing, and feel free to comment down below. Please remember to
smile out, be great.
be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure. Bye
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom, see ya.
Bye.